Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Christmas in July, day number 26. And today I will be flipping through the Christmas junk journal that I've been making in this series. If you want to go back and watch from the very beginning, I made a few other videos. Also, I've been doing shorts every day, so if you want to get some Christmas in July inspiration, go ahead and go back and watch all those. I've been doing haul videos, little tutorials, making tags, altering things, whatever. There's lots of different ideas for you. But I've been making this journal. I think it turned out really cute. This is a 1949 Night Before Christmas little golden book. I have it tied up with this really fun fabric that was from a chindi rug. And then I put some vintage Christmas fabric on the back of it and made this really fun tassel. And I just love, this is probably my favorite version of the Night Before Christmas little golden book. It's just so retro, and I don't know, I just love it. Mid-century, whatever you want to call it. Really cool. So I had this really fun paper from Echo Park that I used for the cover and for the signature covers, and then the cut aparts and stickers and things, but we'll just go ahead and do a quick flip through here. I added lots of fun vintage stationery and ephemera. This was one of my shorts. I made this really fun little shaker tag, Christmas tree, and then there's some vintage stationery. I added a lot of sewing throughout. I sewed all the trims and things on the sides and then made pockets. This was a short where I just altered a piece of vintage sheet music. So it's just a little cut apart there. I include all of the book pages that are in the little golden book, so this is just kind of an upcycled book. Here's another little vintage note paper. I used a lot of vintage Christmas books in here, Christmas book pages and stickers. There's 3 altered paper clips. I made these little clusters in one of my shorts. There's vintage coloring book pages. I added washi. This is an envelope. And then I also made these little paper clusters in one of my videos. Here's a pocket with some tickets. I also made this library card pocket in one of my YouTube shorts. I just altered that, and this is also a tuck spot there. This was a really fun vintage music book that I had, and a cookbook page. Here's another little tuck that I made with the cut aparts, and then I added some vintage ephemera in there. Here is a vintage postcard from Hallmark. Music book pages. Another little envelope pocket. This is a vintage coaster that I think is really cool. And another little cut apart. This book has 2 signatures. and the spine is a 1.5 inch spine. So this is a corner pocket that I made. It actually comes, it fits right on the corner of a page, but it comes off. So it's got pockets on the back and then pockets on the front, and I just stuck some little cut aparts there, but it fits right on the corner here. Here is a vintage Christmas card. I love this one. It's got a little bit of glitter on there. This one actually hasn't been used, so that's pretty rare. And then over on this side, I have this really fun Christmas napkin. And then we're into the second signature now. There's a little piece of Santa ribbon, really cute. You could cut that out and add it to a page or make it into just a little pocket on a page. So this journal will be in my Etsy shop if you're interested in it. I'll have the link down below, and it'll be in my Etsy shop until it gets sold. This is a side pocket here. Oh, and I just stuck a scrapbook paper there. And then here's another envelope. I added a vintage recipe card in there. This was a front of a sheet music book, a cover of a sheet music book. Then another vintage coloring book page. I think this book page was from a little golden, not a little golden book, but a golden book Christmas book. It was like one of the bigger sized ones. And then here is a vintage name sticker, name badge. And then this also is the book cover of a book of stamps from whenever letter stamps were 34 cents. So that's been a while. And then I used a vintage card as one of the pages. So it's the kind that open up completely. So whoever buys this can close it up and make it a pocket, or cut it and make additional pages, whatever. This paper I purchased from Lovely's Crafting Lodge here on YouTube. And I could try and link her channel down below, but she makes some wonderful dyed papers. Over here I sewed this vintage ribbon. It says Merry Christmas from the Heart. And then I have a guest check and a vintage calendar page from December 1962. Over here is a side pocket, and then I put a Yahtzee scorecard in there. Over here I included another vintage recipe card, quick holiday fruitcake. And then over here, just another side tuck, and I put in another scraps of scrapbook paper. And then on the last page on the back cover is another Monopoly money and cut apart card, and then there is the back. So yeah, there's that. Go ahead and follow the link down below if you're interested in looking at this in my Etsy shop. If not, hopefully this gives you inspiration for your Christmas in July, if that's what you're happening to be working on now. If not, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're working on. And yeah, we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment as I said, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. God bless.